start this restaurant, Star Pasta Sisters, together also with my younger sister and my older brother. Yes, we started this restaurant 4 years ago. About 4 years ago. It's going to be the 23rd of September. We started with our first location is on Pico Boulevard and close to Koreatown. It's a very small location. We have only 3 tables and 12 chairs, and it was a great adventure and a great beginning. Something that we didn't expect as well. We literally opened the store thinking to make pasta and gnocchi for other stores and other restaurants. And then we also had a very small menu to begin. And if someone was walking by, like we were just cooking a very simple meal. And then this thing started to become very popular, and the whole concept changed. From making pasta for other restaurants, we started making pasta only for us, but just because we didn't have the time to make also pasta for all the other people.
Yes.
So everything changed, and like in a sudden from a deli we became a restaurant without even planning it. And we, about 2 years later, I guess, we had the great opportunity to open this restaurant in Culver City. And it was crazy.
New adventure.
It was a new adventure. It was really crazy because from 12 seats we passed to 100 seats. The location is beautiful, and
the family grown.
The family grew from, I would say, 10, 15 employees to 70 today. So a lot of more responsibilities, a lot of more, headaches sometimes, but we're happy.
Yeah, we have great people that work for us. We are really happy.
And
if I can answer about this, I'm not a chef. I'm just a person that cook for my family. This is what I feel every day. I want to share our tradition, just a family feeling to all the people that comes here. No, we still have.
Yeah, sometimes like even now after 4 years, at night we get really, really busy. I mean, at lunch too, but at night somehow everybody show up at the same time, right? And we start having this very long line of people trying to get in and ordering food. And still now after 4 years, sometimes we just look at each other and think, what we do? I mean, what we did? I don't know. Like, it's really incredible for us, and we're grateful because we couldn't start this thing for sure without also the help of many people that support us. With our first Pico store, we moved here 8 years ago. My mom was a nanny when she started her new adventure in the United States. My brother was a server. I was going to school. My sister was still in middle school. So we were just a regular, normal family with normal jobs. And we didn't expect any of this.
I think it's true. I think it's really true, this. We work with people. We really like our family because now it's a big family. We started the 4 of us, but we consider family the people that works for us. We treat them like family. They feel that. I think that is the reason also why they call me Mama.
Everybody calls me Mama.
Yes.
Okay, Mama is very shy.
Yes.
And when I told her, Mama, you're gonna be on the stage of the taste making gnocchi, and she was like, nope. I was
Mama,
like,
you have
yes.
to be in the TV. No. I said no. And
So every time,
she did a tricky thing. She answered for me. And she said yes.
And I said, I fake to be Paola. And I said, yes, of course, we will be there. But can I have Georgia on stage with me? So at least I'm going to support her.
Yeah. Okay, with the hands, it's much easier to make gnocchi with also if you add eggs. That's what we don't do with the machine, because the way that the machine works makes the dough compact enough to don't use eggs. And that is, I think, is much better. They are also lighter, the eggs, the gnocchi, sorry. But make with the hands, maybe because I was making from when I were kids. It's really simple. It's really something that I can do with my eyes closed.
Yes, it's easy for you.
I mean,
but it's not
just
easy in
practical.
general.
If you have practice, it's easy. I mean, it's something that I grown up with. Everyone grown up with something is easy for them. But that is just fun. I feel that cooking is fun. It's love. It's fun. It's passion.
Yes, I mean, we also, the reason why we like to participate to the taste, it's going to be our second year at the taste. We did it 2 years ago, and we're doing it this year. It's also because we being there and like talking with the people that are gonna come and try our food. It's also our way to see everybody like have a contact with everybody. This was happening at Pico. We had a lot of people also driving from very far away and to try us, and we were able to meet every single body in person and talk to them and share our story, learn about them. And the reason why they were coming to Pasta Sisters. When we opened Culver City, these things start changing a little bit because we cannot be in two places at the same time, and also because Culver City it's a pretty big location, so we are not, the contact that we have with the people, it's not the same that we used to have in Pico. So participating to the taste, it's also a way to be there, stay at the stand, and talk to everybody and meet our customers and meet the people that are gonna try our family recipes, and it's a great opportunity, I guess. Right. So yes, we definitely have a website where they can find all the information, also about not only about the location but also about our products. So we started making fresh pasta and selling fresh pasta raw, and we still do. So we also, in the website, they also can find all the information about our products, our pasta, our sauces that we sell retail. We have an Instagram account that I personally follow and I take care of, so everybody can also write a message on Instagram and I'll be the one responding. And we're on Google Map, of course, like everybody, and so I think there are many ways to find us. Okay, so what's next? That's a very interesting question because it's happening right now, and it's a very new thing that just happened. We are opening a food truck, which is, I understand that it's kind of weird because like usually people start from the food truck and then go to the restaurant, and we're doing the opposite way. But the reason why we're opening a food truck is like, as I was telling you before, our recipes are very homemade. Sometimes she make it also by just watching at the dough, see if the dough is ready. Like we don't really have like precise dosages sometimes. So we thought that
there is people that try to open places with our concept, with our name, but we didn't feel ready to do this because we want to make sure about the quality of what we make and the way that we make. And so if we open other location, our big problem is how can we control this? It's not easy. It's something that we would like really be on top of this because first the quality, first the recipe. So we start to think what we can do to go close to other people because we have so many requests on emails. They're asking to go in different places, not only in California, so over other states. So we thought we have a big kitchen where we can make food also for the truck, so we can start like that. We start with one truck and then who knows. Let's see how it's going, this adventure, this new adventure, but the idea is to go to people, for the people that they cannot come here.
So yeah, this is going to be our next adventure. It's going to start, I hope, in September.
Yeah.
With restaurant things, you never know when it's going to start because there are so many different situations around. So we hope it's going to start in September, yes.
Thank you for watching Muse. If you like what you saw, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on all the other videos you see to watch more of our content.